Welcome to this episode of Keeping Up with the Year Sixes.
You'll be introduced to the cast of Year 6.
Oh, and don't forget our red carpet events.
Enjoy!
Hi, I'm Charlotte, and when I'm older, I'd like to be an artist, or maybe I'd like to create an animal shelter and vet, because I feel like animals deserve better. My goal for this year is I want to be a good role model to the kindy kids and the rest of the school.
Hi, my name is Jada. I want to be a vet when I grow up. My goal is for 2021 is to be a good role model and be a good friend and do all the friendly five in the school.
Hi, my name is Maddie, and if I got to pick my dream job, it would be as a makeup artist. My goal for 2021 is to get ducks just like my three brothers did.
My name is Josh. I want to be a marine biologist when I grow up, and my goal for 2021 is understand fractions better.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and when I grow up, I want to be a daycare worker. And by the end of Year 6, I want to be confident in maths.
My name's Ella. When I grow up, I want to be a scientist, and if possible, one who studies the stars. My goal for this year is to get ducks by working hard and putting all my effort in.
Hello, my name is Chantel, and when I grow up, I want to be a vet so I can help animals. My goal for 2021 is to be able to divide and times big numbers.
Hi, I'm Cooper, and when I grow up, I want to be an astronautical engineer or join the Navy. My goal for 2021 is to develop my skills in solving tricky long decimal division.
Hi, my name is Zoe, and I want to be a singer when I grow up. My goal for 2021 is to be a good role model and encourage others to do their best.
Hi, my name is Shay, and my dream job is to become a horse breeder. My goal for this year is to use my manners as much as possible this year.
Hi, my name is Xavier. When I grow up, I want to study to get my apprenticeship to be a diesel mechanic and engineer. And my goal for 2021 is to improve maths and reading.
Hello, my name is Connor, and when I grow up, I aspire to be a successful YouTuber. My goal for 2021 is to upgrade my skills in maths.
Hi, my name's Mina, and when I grow up, I want to be an artist. My goal for this year is to be a good role model for others.
Hi, my name's Lachlan, and my dream job is to be a YouTuber. And my goal for 2021 is to be a good role model.
Hi, I'm Jacob. My dream job is to be a meteorologist, which is a weatherman. And my goal for this year is to successfully get through the year.
Hi, I'm Jasmine, and when I'm older, I would like to become an artist. I've always liked drawing, so I think I would like it. This year at school, I'm trying to be the best role model I can by showing kindness and friendship to others.
Hi, my name's Ian, and when I grow up, I'd like to be an actor and a firefighter. My goals for 2021 is to make it to state for swimming.
Hi, my name's Elizabeth Sneesby. I want to be a professional singer when I grow up. And my goal for the year is to be a nice role model.
Konnichiwa, I'm Shari. I aspire to be a zoologist when I'm an adult. My goal for my final year in primary school is to better myself in as much as possible. I will do this by trying my best in all areas.
Hi, my name is Izzy, and I want to be a vet when I grow up. My goal for 2021 is to be my friends Sarah and Lillian in a running race.
Hi, I'm Maya, and what I want to be when I'm older is a primary school teacher because I'm very social and I'm good with kids. And if I'm a primary school teacher, I can also be a preschool teacher and a high school teacher. My goal this year is to improve at literacy. I will do this by reading more and focusing and trying harder and pushing myself.
Hi, I'm Noah, and when I grow up, I want to be a gamer. And my goal for this year is to concentrate on my work.
Hello, my name is Riley. When I grow up, I want to be a mechanic. And my goal for 2021 is to improve my persuasive writing.
Hi, my name is Blake, and I want to be a farmer. And my goal for 2021 is to be a proud house leader for dingoes.
Hi, my name's Leona, and when I'm older, I want to be an actor. And my goal for this year is to be a great role model for the school.
Bonjour, my name is Lachlan C, and my I want to be a voice actor when I grow up. It's fun and I get to meet new people. I've always loved movies, TV shows, like Pirates of the Caribbean and/or anime. My goal is, as always, to improve my math skills.
Hi, I'm Hayden. I'd like to be a doctor or a firefighter when I'm older, and my goal for this year in 2021 is to be a respectful sports leader and get Senior Sports Person of the Year.
Hello, my name is Lynn McPhee, and when I grow up, I would love to be a runner. I'm really inspired by my hero, Kathy Freeman, and my goal for this year is to get champion in swimming and athletics and to make my family proud, and also to come first, second or third in cross country.
Come and see what a Uni 6 is like. Come on, come on.
This is Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakarewa. This time for Africa. We're all in this together. Once we know that we are, we're all stars, and we see that we're all in this together. And it shows when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. Everybody now, together, 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 every.
Boom, boom, boom. 6 white boomers, snow white boomers, racing Santa Claus through the blazing sun. 6 white boomers, snow white boomers, on his Australian run.